Hi everyone, you see before you a 12 by 16 or a 30 by 40 centimetre canvas, nothing on it yet, and I'm going to do a spatula swipe. So I have my trusty little rubber spatula. I have some white, light blue, cobalt blue, bright red and black. So I'm just wondering how I should do this. So I think what I might do is just have some puddles. Little puddle will do you. Do this. Do that. And then put some glue on that one, maybe this one. And some dark blue on this one. And this one. How are you doing? Yeah, he's out. And some red. Who else would like some red? You might. And you. And you can have some dark blue, cobalt. And you can have some pale blue. I think everybody might like a little bit of white. Oops, got a bit of blue off my hands that went on the cup. He's only got one colour, so better put some pale blue. That one might be a little bit different. Then just little dabble do. It's a bit like making a pizza, isn't it? The recipes for these paints in the pouring medium you'll find below. Show more underneath this video. Oh, here we go. I wonder if I should do that first. Maybe. It's not really doing much. So here we go. I just have to do this. Actually, I think I want more white. Right. And I am still going to tilt, just covering the canvas with what I have. It's really quite pretty. And, oh, okay. So, you didn't get done, did you? You are now. Alright, so I'm just thinking maybe I should do a little swipe of cloth. Black. You're barking. Is that because there's an ambulance on the way? I'll just rinse this cloth off. No barking. Do this. Boom. Going over nicely. Then backing around that corner. Waiting for that bit there to go down, and then I'll bring it back. Getting those edges. Okay, so I quite like this. Yep. And I might just get the cellophane and see what we have underneath. Just here and there, because I can see reds here. Yep. And blues. Ah, how pretty. Okay, turn this over. See what I've got here. Okay, so I'm going to tilt it, see if I can bring some more of these colours out. Let the black go right down, I think, or at least nearly the way. Right, and then taking back a bit. How pretty. That is really nice now. Okay, so which way do I like it? I think I like it with the black side up. I'll turn it around here, make sure I've got all my corners. Okay, so I'm quite happy here. Now all I'm going to do is just see if I can't make these points a bit more pointy. And then I'll probably have to tilt them in. But that's basically done because I really like it. And I'm just going to do this to see if those points are okay. And then back a bit. Moving ever so slowly now. Right, that's plenty. Now I'm going to torch it and just see, but I think I might just torch across the top here, because I really don't want 10 million cells, but a few would be nice, but I've got a funny feeling I'm going to get a rather a lot. So, come on torch, let's just see. That many cells were actually coming up. Now they're coming up, that'd be right, but they're still okay. And I did see air bubbles, which is why I went over the whole lot. I certainly don't want air bubbles because they break before the paint is dry and you end up with Mount Etna in the middle of your painting. You're not good. Unless, of course, you want Mount Etna in your paintings, and then it wouldn't happen. So I'm going to bring you down to have a look at this chap, and I hope you like it. I certainly do. It's really quite nice. And I think I told you the paints and the pouring medium below show more, and link to the Facebook group Australia Art Dreaming. And if you haven't already, would you please subscribe, click the little bell, and you'll be notified when I put up another video. Yeah, how pretty is this? I think it's nice. Little cellophane kisses all over it and then just a tilt. Comes up really pretty. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Please give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. So bye for now.